Imagine waking up one morning to find your smartphone replaced by a sleek, augmented reality contact lens. That's the vision Qualcomm is working towards with its latest announcements. The company is betting big on the future of computing, and it's pushing the boundaries with two innovative products that could revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Today, we're going to dive into what Qualcomm has unveiled and what it means for the future of smartphones. At its latest conference, Qualcomm showcased its latest chip, the Snapdragon XR2 Plus, designed specifically for extended reality devices like AR glasses and contact lenses. This chip packs a punch, boasting a 30% increase in performance and a 50% decrease in power consumption compared to its predecessor. What does this mean for us? It means that the next generation of AR devices will be faster, more efficient, and longer-lasting, paving the way for a future where our devices are seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. But that's not all.